Okay, so oh my god, I have 200 Robux. So today I bought blocks, but there's no people in this stupid game. So yeah, here, look at the servers. There's no one here. Yeah. Okay, so this funky new blaster that I had sucks that I said from earlier. Yeah. Today I'm going to be playing Parable for Treasure. It's a stupid game, you know. I don't know. Am I still relevant? I think I am. You know I don't do that. Shut up! Okay, fine. I'm waiting then. Finally, it turned on. Let's do this. Let's play Build a Boat. It finally turned on. Shut up. And what is it gonna start? I know it's gonna start right now because I'm gonna scream at the mic right now. And how's it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's lagging. I don't know what the heck is going on. What? What? They formed two teams? Are you serious? Okay, so howdy ho, players. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, let's join the red team first. Why won't let me join? Okay, instead of that, I'm going to join something else because this game is gay. By playing Build a Hideout. What the? I didn't know that this game was here. Sorry for making that noise. Anyways, let's end the video.